beautiful people. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline and welcome back to my channel. I just want to take out time to say thank you for all your subscriptions and likes and views and shares. I really do appreciate. This is coming from my heart, guys. I really do appreciate. So today we're going to be looking into a recipe in which we will be using water to fry our eggs instead of oil as usual. We are used to using oil in frying our eggs, but there's another healthy way of frying or preparing eggs for our breakfast, which is this that I'm going to be showing you guys today. For those who are looking into making some changes regarding their health, I think this recipe will be very good for you. So in this recipe, we're going to exclude oil. I'm going to keep this recipe very simple. I'm not going to include any spices for quick demonstration, but you can include ground spices, like fresh ground spices. So let's go into the recipe already. I have 3 eggs here, 1 Maggi cube, but we're not going to be using all of it, and salt to taste. So we'll start by boiling our water. Okay, we have our water boiling. Guys, look at the quantity of water. It's like, I think maybe less than 120 mils of water. So once you notice that the water has attained its boiling point, you bring in your beaten eggs. I have 3 eggs here. A little bit of the Maggi. And some salt to taste. As I said before, you can include ground spices if you wish, because that's what I do. But I wanted to keep it simple. So let's whisk. So we have our water boiling. We quickly pour in the egg. And then we start stirring. Continuous stirring till the end. As you can see, the water is getting dry, while the egg formation is getting more visible. This is very good for breakfast, especially for kids. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Love and light your way. Thank you. Bye-bye.